Imagine creating a high-quality animated ad for Instagram or TikTok in just a few minutes, without animation skills, editing software, or a designer. AI tools like AdCreative.ai, Animaker AI, and Canva's AI features can now generate short animated ads automatically. All you need to do is enter your product name, website link, or a short description of what you're selling. For example, you type, "Wireless earbuds for workouts, sweat-proof, long battery life." The AI instantly builds a short animated video with moving visuals, engaging text, smooth transitions, and the correct format for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Facebook ads. Everything is optimized for fast scrolling and short attention spans. Let's say you're promoting a skincare product. You upload one product image and type, "Glow in 7 days with natural skincare." Within seconds, the AI creates multiple animated ad versions using different colors, text styles, transitions, and call-to-action buttons like "Shop now" or "Learn more." You can post them instantly or test multiple versions to see which performs best. This completely changes how ads are made. Instead of spending hours editing or paying designers, you can generate 5 to 10 ready-to-post animated ads in minutes. That means faster testing, better performance, and easier scaling. Short animated ads work so well because they stop the scroll, explain the product visually, and feel native to social media. AI handles the creative work, so you can focus on marketing, sales, and growth. If you want faster content, better ads, and less stress, AI-generated animated ads are one of the smartest tools you can use today.